Do you struggle with Chinese pronunciations? No worries, this video is to help you practice and also provide vocabulary examples. Both bopomofo and pinyin allow you to pronounce Chinese characters. To pronounce a Chinese character, we need an initial, a final, and a tone mark. Initials and finals represent the phonetic portion. Tones affect the meaning since Chinese is a tonal language. First, I'll show you bopomofo and pinyin, then an example vocabulary to practice pronunciation in this training. We'll cover initials, finals, and tone marks. Sounds good? Let's start. 巴士玻璃白色背包包子搬家奔跑帮忙崩溃鼻子憋气标准边界宾馆饼干不要。If you want to practice more about the Chinese alphabet, check this video for a complete guide. See you soon. Bye bye.